Hi everyone, this video is about the essentials of Shiba Inu. The world of cryptocurrency is in turmoil, but what makes it more interesting is the arrival on the market of a new cryptocurrency that wants to make you richer and as fast as possible. This is the Shiba Inu. You can click on the link below before starting to read texts that you are tired of getting drunk and begin effectively earning crypto with Shiba Limited. I can also go straight to the point and show you how to proceed and get you started by showing you how it works at Shiba Limited website. After registering by clicking on the link below and registering, you will be taken to a menu that contains everything you need. All these actions can be taken with PC, laptop and smartphones, and everything is in the friendly menu. Here clearly the main menu. We will focus on how Shiba works, how to use, how to earn, how to advertise, how to withdraw in Shiba Limited website. Shiba Inu is one type of cryptocurrency that uses the Ethereum blockchain. It is the world's most popular cryptocurrency. Shiba Limited is the cave of Alibaba, where we can earn by claiming, by playing, or by using some skills. So we can use pay-to-click, short links, auto faucet, manual faucet. Mining is also possible. We can play to dice, lottery, and wheel of fortunes. As the appetite comes with eating and you are probably greedy like me, looking at another option offered by Shiba Limited, this option is called withdrawals and tasks. Here you are spoiled for choice, surveys, games, watching videos, visits, etc. We can advertise at Shiba Limited website using this sheet, which is easy to use. You can withdraw your earned coins to your crypto wallet as soon as you reach 15 million tokens. There are also the bonuses which depend on your activity on the site and which increase more and more and make your earnings grow. You can invite other people to join the group and win with them. That is what I'm doing right now with your agreements. But all this is within your reach, and I leave it to you to discover it in the days which follow your registration. The other menu items such as dashboard, leaderboard, achievements allow you to monitor your activities and analyze them in order to act better later. Now you have all that you need to begin earning Shiba. Click below to be with the cryptocurrency greets, and good luck!